Good afternoon, my beautiful girlies. It's Grace, and let's hop right in to this makeup get ready with me. So y'all, for today's topic of discussion, what were the wildest outfits I have ever worn? Now I know that, during either like our childhood years, our teen years, heck, maybe even now, I don't know. Not here to judge nor comment on people's styles, but I know that like in our lives, we all have had a period of time where we just wear like very like cringe outfits, whether if it's like patterns clashing and not matching together, or one color, or I don't know. We have all had that period where we kind of just like basically try to figure out what goes with what, basically. So I have two outfits that were very, very wild in my own personal opinion. I don't know if you would consider these to be like very, very wild outfits, but to me, and definitely looking back now, they were definitely some of the wildest pieces that I put together in my wardrobe. So to start off, the first wildest outfit that I have ever worn would have to be when I wore a neon green tank top with the pink plaid like capri shorts when I was in elementary school. And it's so weird that I remember so far back, but the only reason why I remember that outfit is because I literally, tripped and fell on my butt when I was at recess. Like, that's really the only reason why I even remember that outfit in the first place. And I don't know, to the girlies that remember, or I don't know if y'all wore this back in like either elementary or middle school, but like, remember like those pink plaid like shorts or like capris? I don't know, it was like basically pink plaid with like yellow, like a little bit of yellow plaid. I have no idea if y'all know what I'm talking about, but oh my goodness, I know, especially when I was a little girl, like those kind of like plaid shorts would just be all the rage. And I'm pretty sure like most young girls wear those kind of like shorts. Just like a lot of plaid. I remember, especially when I was a kid, just like tons and tons and tons of plaid, like too much plaid even. But yeah, I mean, to be honest with you, I don't really know why I said it was like a wild outfit. It's really not that bad. I mean, it was a little girl's outfit. So I guess maybe the clash of those colors is why I say it was very wild, because like when you have like neon green and then like a hot pink mixed with like all of these different colors, because mind you, it wasn't just pink plaid, it was like pink plaid with like a dash of yellow, a dash of orange, a dash of black. Like it was kind of all over the place. Like the colors were just not really clashing, in my personal opinion. I have no idea why I wore that outfit, but yet again, I was a kid and kids don't really care what outfits you wear. They just have to be comfortable and you're all good. But yeah, y'all, I would have to say the neon green tank top and the pink plaid shorts would have to be one of the wildest outfits I have ever worn. Lastly, the second wildest outfit I have ever worn would have to be when I wore a pink tank top with like purple and black, kind of like, I don't know how to describe this style, like whole, like pattern whole leggings. I have no idea if I even said that description right. I didn't say it right, but here's what I mean. So basically, my leggings were purple and black. So the purple was just like the main color of the leggings, and then the black was just basically the sheer holes of the leggings that were on like different like parts of the leggings, which was like open. I probably described that wrong, but I really hope y'all get a little bit of what I mean. I'm not the best at explaining stuff, but yeah, I don't know. I mean, that outfit wasn't too bad. Maybe the reason why I am saying it was the wildest outfit that I've worn, and I'm pretty sure I worn like that outfit back in middle school, it's really because I'm pretty sure when I wore that outfit, it was a very hot day. A very hot day. So like, yes, the tank top is great for a hot day, but the leggings, like, might as well wear like either some shorts or a skirt, because you were just going to be very hot that day. But, you know, that wasn't a bad outfit. I guess it was just like maybe the accessories that I put with it that made it kind of questionable, because I know back then I was very obsessed with like those like very loud and bright headbands. Oh my gosh, I was so obsessed with headbands. I would wear it like all the freaking time. I would just wear headbands basically all the time. But I don't know, maybe that's why I say that, you know, it wasn't the best outfit of mine, but honestly, it probably was just an okay outfit. I'm just being way too hard on myself. But yeah, y'all, the pink tank top and the purple and black leggings would have to be the second and last wildest outfit I have ever worn. Okay, y'all, we just did lash serum again. My trusty dusty Maybelline Lash Sensational. Love her. I'm actually looking for a better lash serum to grow out my baby lashes, because I do not have long lashes. And just some chapstick. That's really all we did today. I just wanted to come back and chat with y'all since I did not upload last week. I'm getting better at my schedule. Baby steps. But yeah, I hope that this topic got y'all to thinking like, what outfits that I wore in the past, or maybe even now, that I just like cringe at. But no, I'm just playing. But yeah, I do hope that this topic just sparked some thought. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that you all enjoyed. I hope that you will have an amazing Monday, an amazing week, and I will see all of y'all's beautiful faces next time. Bye guys.